Hey everyone, so in this video what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what x, y and z are. So we have one larger triangle with two smaller triangles inside of it. Now all we really need to do is use Pythagoras theorem and we end up with a system of three equations. So let's begin. We have a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. This allows us to solve for the hypotenuse of the larger triangle. And notice, the hypotenuse of the larger triangle is also equal to x plus y. So if we actually take the square root of both sides of our identity and plug in 3 for A and 4 for B, we get the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5. And we know that this is equal to the hypotenuse, and we know that the hypotenuse is equal to x plus y. So we get our first equation. X plus y is equal to 5. Now if we pay attention to the triangle in white, we can rearrange our identity as x squared plus z squared is equal to 9. In doing the same thing for the triangle in purple, we have y squared plus z squared is equal to 16. So we have three equations and three unknowns. That means we can solve for each of our unknowns. So if we subtract our second equation, x squared plus z squared is equal to 9, from our third equation, y squared plus z squared is equal to 16, we get y squared minus x squared is equal to 7. And if we rearrange for y in our first equation, we get y is equal to 5 minus x. Now, if we substitute in y is equal to 5 minus x into our equation y squared minus x squared is equal to 7, we get 5 minus x all squared minus x squared is equal to 7. And this simplifies to 25 minus 10x is equal to 7. And if we subtract 7 from both sides of our equation, we get x is equal to 1.8. Now, if we plug in x is equal to 1.8 into y is equal to 5 minus x, we get y is equal to 3.2. Now, if we pay attention to the equation y squared plus z squared is equal to 16, we can subtract y squared from both sides so that we get z squared is equal to 16 minus y squared, which is equal to 16 minus 3.2 squared. And if we take the square root of both sides of that equation, we get z is equal to the square root of 16 minus 3.2 squared, which is equal to 2.4. We have x is equal to 1.8, y is equal to 3.2, and z is equal to 2.4. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this content useful. If you have any questions or problems you'd like to see get solved in future videos, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you have a great day.